In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app that's already on your device. Then click on this gear at the top to manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, click on this X at the top left corner. If you never used Recorder before, hit Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups, and then use this red button at the bottom left corner to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To add a photo mark, on the right one. Switch your camera, take a pic, and when you're ready, discard it thanks to this X or add it thanks to this check mark. If you wish to get rid of your recording right away, hit Cancel at the top left corner and tap on Don't Save in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, hit Save at the top right corner. Then name it. Click on this icon if you wish to generate summary right away, and finally hit Save. Now to play your recording, click on it on the left and manage it over here. You can use all of those options however you want to. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!